Hello and welcome. I'm Sunil from Innovative, and today I'm going to show you how to install Visual Studio on our Windows machine. So simply type Visual Studio Code on the Google and it will take you to the Visual Studio website, that is code.visualstudio.com. The first search result that you get, click on that. It will take you to the Visual Studio Code website where you can see Visual Studio Code Editor. Okay, here you can see the option download for window, and below that you can see how it works. Okay, so we need to click on this icon, that is download for window. Click on that. When you click on that, your Visual Studio will start downloading here. It will take few seconds and it will be downloaded. Okay, so that it will .exe file will be downloaded. Click on the link. It will take you to the download folder where you just need to double click on this VS Code user setup .exe file. Double click on that, and now your Visual Studio will start the installation process. So click on accept. We need to read the terms and condition license agreement and click on the I accept the agreement. Okay, then click on next, and here you can select the options, like if you want to create an icon on the desktop, you can click on that. Okay, and register code as an editor, supported file path. So let it be whatever selected by default, and if you want you can click on this create a desktop icon. It will be easy for you to see it, and then click on next. You just need to click on next and then you have to click on install. So Visual Studio will be installed on your system this way. It will take couple of minutes to get it installed on your Windows system. Okay, so it will first extract the file and then it will install. Visual Studio Code is a code editor, an IDE where we can write code in any language like Python, C, C++, Java. Okay, once it is done, you have to click on finish and your Visual Studio will be launched. So once it is launched, it will be showing you like this, like it was already on my system. So it is showing the whatever files I have opened. To start writing with the file, you need to go to file, click on the new text file here. Okay, you need to click on the new file, and here you have to write the file name. Suppose you are going to write a first program, hello world, then you have to give the extension .py, so your Python file will be created. Okay, and then you have to select the folder where you want to save this file. So create file, your first file will be created. Okay, so here you can write any program like a is equal to 5, b is equal to 8, c is equal to a plus b, and then print c, and here there is a run button this side which will say run Python file. Click on that and you will see the output on the console. Here we can see the 13, a5 plus 8, 13 is the output. You can see the output here. So this way we can install the Visual Studio Code and start writing the program in any programming language that you want. Okay, thank you for watching.